Hi, my name is Luke Sikora. I'm the owner and founder of Ark Roofer out of Georgetown, Texas, and we've been in business since 2018. I've also been in the industry all my life as a third-generation contractor, working for my dad's company for almost 20 years as a kid. So here at Ark Roofer, we like to sell transparency that provides peace of mind, and how we do that is through a link that we send to people. They can see the inspection live from their phone virtually while they're inside and we're outside doing the inspection. Every photo and every video that we take uploads to that link in real time. Giving people that above and beyond feeling and that good customer experience is really, really important to me because I live here, my family lives here, my parents live here. I've got so many of my friends that live all the way from Austin to Round Rock to Georgetown to Leander, Cedar Park areas, and all in between and all around. So I really do want to make sure that I give everybody the best experience and show them that we deliver better than anybody else.
What I really needed help with was getting my insurance carrier to approve the work that I needed done. So when I contacted Ark, they immediately helped me, and they got me in touch with an independent adjuster that came out and looked at it. He worked with State Farm, went through a process with an umpire, and they got it approved, which is really what I needed. So once that was done, I was able to go to their website and see the entire process, what was going to happen. What was really nice about that is when Cody came out, who was the Ark representative that worked with me, he went exactly like the video showed. So it was nice to see that the video, what they said they were going to do, he came out and actually did it and helped us get the roof going.
I know Christmas is coming upon us really, really soon, and we're really excited for the Happy New Year. So we are offering a free minor roof repair actually on your entire roof for free, as long as it's walkable and not too steep. So give us a call for details. We'd love to come out and do a full assessment of your roof, give you 100+ photos, and while we're there, we're gonna go ahead and seal up some areas that may need attention to prevent any leaking for the winter season. So God bless you guys, and visit arkroofer.com, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks.